What's up YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a Jerome Bettis 1996 Mitchell & Ness Authentic Steelers jersey. So this jersey that we have here in hand today comes from the 1996 season, which was Jerome Bettis' first NFL season with the Pittsburgh Steelers. Currently, at the time of this recording, Mitchell & Ness is selling this jersey for $250 on their website, but they have almost no stock left in this jersey. And on NFLshop.com, this jersey is going for $299 with a lot more sizes available. Prior to the 1996 season, Jerome Bettis spent some time with the Los Angeles Rams, where he won Offensive Rookie of the Year and showed a lot of promise and potential as being one of the game's most feared running backs. So in Jerome Bettis' first season as a Pittsburgh Steeler, he carried the ball 320 times for 1,431 yards, and he had 11 touchdowns. And he became one of the most dominant forces from the running back position. And this is the season where he earned the nickname The Bus. Over the course of his career, Jerome Bettis obtained many achievements, including capturing a ring in Super Bowl 40 in his hometown of Detroit, Michigan, which was his very last game. And 5 years after he retired, the NFL inducted him into the Pro Football Hall of Fame. So if you're a Steeler fan, if you're a Jerome Bettis fan, or you're interested in picking up a Mitchell & Ness authentic NFL jersey, then I hope that this review can help you make a decision on if you want to purchase this jersey or not. In today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to have a full detailed review. I'm going to hit you with an unbody, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts on this 1996 Mitchell & Ness Jerome Bettis jersey. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers, but if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. If you guys could do me a huge favor and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So the Pittsburgh Steelers don't really make trades very often, but I remember vividly being a little kid and the Steelers making a draft day trade with the Los Angeles Rams to pick up Jerome Bettis. And little did the fan base know that Jerome Bettis was actually going to become the heart and soul of the Pittsburgh Steelers for about 10 seasons. In his prime, he was pretty much unstoppable. You couldn't bring this dude down. He was humongous. I mean, I think they had him listed at like 270, but he was probably like around 300 pounds, and he was just trucking over people. And there's a lot of famous images and video out there of Jerome Bettis, like the one that he did on Brian Urlacher in his final season where he just trucked him in the snow to score a touchdown. And it was plays like that that pretty much embodied what Jerome Bettis brought to the Pittsburgh Steelers and the NFL. And Bettis is also beloved by pretty much everybody in the city of Pittsburgh. That blue-collar running style that he had, combined with the fact that he's probably one of the nicest guys that you could probably ever meet. And as you guys know, I collect a lot of sports memorabilia that's autographed, and let me tell you that Jerome Bettis has one of the most beautiful, most sick, disgusting signatures in the entire sports world. So today, I'm pleased to bring you this review of this Jerome Bettis Mitchell & Ness jersey, and BAM! So as you guys know, I'm a huge Steeler fan, and I'm a huge Jerome Bettis fan. But one thing to note, in the 90s when the Steelers wore their jerseys, they actually had these big block numbers on the front and the back of the jersey. And today's numbers, like on the jerseys that they've had for quite a long time, the numbers are a lot more thin. So this is an authentic jersey, which means, the retail price tag is a little high, between $250 and $300. But this jersey does have a very good amount of weight to it. I mean, this thing is heavy. I mean, this is actually one of the most heaviest jerseys that I have ever held. And Mitchell & Ness jerseys do normally have a lot of weight to it, but this one is kind of heavy, guys. It's probably the heaviest jersey in my collection. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this Jerome Bettis jersey. Alright, so here's our first up-close look at this Jerome Bettis jersey. Alright, so starting here at the top, you're going to have your white Mitchell & Ness tag. And below that, you're going to have your size 44 large, and this is made in China. And then below that, you're going to have your NFL shield that is stitched below the neckliner. And on this jersey, you're going to have your authentic sleeves. So this is one of the main selling points to getting an authentic jersey, is the way that they make the sleeves. And this is all 100% polyester. On each side of the shoulders, you will get embroidered numbers. So on the left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to get the 3. And then on the right side, you're going to get the number 6. And both are stitched very well. In the middle of the jersey, you're going to have this iconic number 36 in this big block numbering. And the stitch job on this is very well done. On the bottom left-hand side of the jersey, you're going to have your jock tag, and it says Throwbacks Authentic. And Mitchell & Ness, 1996, Jerome Bettis. Inside the jersey, you're going to have your laundry tag. And this jersey is made of 100% polyester. And then there's your laundry instructions below that. Now, we're going to move to the back of the jersey. In here you have your nameplate with the Bettis lettering. And there's a shot of what the stitching looks like. And then in the middle of the jersey you have that 36 again, done exactly the same way as the front of the jersey in that big block numbering. Stitching on this is very, very good, guys, so just showing you a nice clip of what it looks like and the amount of detail in it. So for me, I find that when I buy authentic jerseys that, go true to size. So whatever you normally wear in a shirt, so if you're a large, buy a large. If you're a medium, buy a medium. I always get the large, and they're a tad bit big on me because I've tried to get the 40s, like the mediums, and they're just too tight on me, too snug. So I always get the large, but I wear a large in t-shirts most of the time. But now I'm going to throw this thing on and show you what it looks like on body. So if you're a Jerome Bettis fan and you're thinking about picking up one of these Mitchell & Ness jerseys, not only does Mitchell & Ness carry these authentic jerseys, around the $300 price range, but they also do have some in their legacy product line for $150. But as far as this authentic goes, I really do think it's worth the money. It's very heavyweight. The stitching on it is very, very well done. And if I'm out at a bar or a football party or something like that and somebody spills a beer or some dip on my jersey, I can put it in the washing machine and I don't have to worry about any of the numbers or lettering or the sleeves peeling. So yes, the price point of these authentic jerseys is really high, but they'll probably last forever, and a player of Jerome Bettis' stature, or any other player in the authentic product line that you may be interested in picking up, it's worth it if you want to keep the jersey for a very, very long time. But Jerome Bettis is one of my favorite players, so me spending this kind of money on this jersey, was worth it to me because, no matter what, I know that I will have this for years and years to come. But I want to know what you think. Drop a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think about this Jerome Bettis jersey that I have. Do you have anything like this, or do you have another NFL authentic jersey from Mitchell & Ness? I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you could please destroy that like button for me. If you haven't done so already, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any videos on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.